Hello everyone and welcome to another WebFlow tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to set up the metapixel in WebFlow. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to come here to your WebFlow website. You're going to click on the top left-hand side, basically right here, and you're going to go to Site Settings. Once you go to Site Settings, you are going to select Apps and Integrations from the left-hand side. And once you come here, you are going to see Metapixel. So all we have to do is to insert the Metapixel ID in this box here and just save. So where are we going to find the Metapixel ID? We are going to access our Meta Business Suite, or Meta Business Manager is the same thing. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on All Tools and we are going to click on Events Manager. So once we click on Events Manager, we're going to come here in this screen. Then you're going to go to your Datasets, and here you are going to find your pixel or your pixels if you have more than one. And here you're going to see the ID of your pixel. So you're going to copy this number, this pixel ID. You're going to come back to your WebFlow settings. You're going to paste this number here, and that's pretty much it. Then you're going to click on Save, and that's how easy it is to install the Metapixel in a WebFlow website. So one more time, you need to go to Site Settings, Apps and Integrations. Here you're going to see Metapixel. All you have to do is to paste the Metapixel ID. Where are you going to find the Metapixel ID? You're going to go to your Meta Business Suite. You're going to go to Events Manager. Once you go to Events Manager, you're going to click your Datasets. Then you are going to find your pixel. You're going to copy the Metapixel ID, come back here in WebFlow settings, paste it, save, done. That's how easy it is to insert Metapixel in a WebFlow website. That's it for this video. Also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.